song Kalakal by SB19 and Glock 9, all members contributed in their own lyrics.
So, finalize tayo nung kung ano yung gagamitin for the melody. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Who can not? Cause we wanna take it.
Parang ganun po.
We're born to take it.
You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Who can not? Cause we're gonna take it. Ganun taas? Gonna take it. Gonna take it. You can't stop us, wala bibigyan.
Mas lapag, imbis labas. Lapag. Lapag ang ipon.
Mas patindi yung lapag.
Mas straight yung lapag, no? Lapag ang ipon pag kaming nagtitinda. Oh.
Ano ka na-idea? Bakit ka nung naisip ko? Alam mo ba na bukod sa aking mukha, daming bagay pa ako'y di kong itinda. Wag mo nang alamin, baka maingit ka. Di ka rito, babauna kita. Ha?